Barb again with all your plant-based recipes. Today we're going to be doing French fried potatoes, only I don't like to use oil, so I use them in the air fry. So my husband had gotten this cool French fry machine, and you just place it in there. These are yellow potatoes. They got to be kind of strong because you got to push them through, and then they come out like perfect squared potatoes. So this one, you cut the top off and the bottom off so it's flat so you can put it in. If you have one of those traditional, this is actually going to be too big. I'm going to cut this in half. If you have one of the traditional ones where you just push it, it's fine too. Ooh, this is a rough one. Look at how the good size of them. They're really perfect. They're really going to come out great. So I have the air fryer on already. My stove actually has one built in, so the temperature is 425, and we're going to put that in for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to watch it. We'll put it in our pan, and what we're going to do is we're going to be using everything bagel seasoning. I get this at Costco. You can get it at Trader Joe's, anywhere. And we're just going to place it over. I put some parchment paper down underneath, and we're going to get started on putting this in the oven. So we're going to place this on the air fryer, and we're going to try about 20 minutes. It might need longer, maybe a half hour. We shall see. Okay, so they are out of the oven, and you see how crisp they are? Nice and crisp, and there's no added oil, and they're going to taste just great. It was 30 minutes on the air fry. The air fry automatically goes to 425, and I can't wait to eat them.